Get me a drink. Rye. I don't feel like getting up, but I love you. I never noticed Ken in the background smiles like this. I told you.
It's not even a smile, he's like...
He's wearing goggles.
I know, let's see what he's doing.
Since moving to LA, I've had a couple singles, couple doubles, but never a home run. We've dispatched strike pods.
Was that a single or a double, really? Why is he bringing bottles to the bar opening?
Very good question.
You got any gloves? I love gloves.
But I love shorts. I love gloves.
We're out of gas. I just forgot to put gas in it.
Mr. Burns has arrived. I'm here to be drunk.
So codependent.
So codependent. Oh, don't get it on your $18,000 bike, jeez.
Who are you talking to, Tom?
Looks like there's a line.
Anyone?
It's so
Like she cares what Kristen Doty thinks.
She's like, all right, moving right along.
I don't recall that, actually. No, I don't think anything happened. I was just reliving the story to everyone else, but no, nothing.
No, not with me and Billy. She's like, get my face out.
No, I don't remember anything happening. Get the fuck out of my face, oh! No, nothing.
It was a very eventful day.
She's like, ixnay on the eventful day. It was fine.
I know Tom has to, work the room and schmooze and be one of the Toms, but I would really like to be hanging out with him too.
Is anyone else bored by this whole I never get to see Tom storyline? Yes, Bo.
Let me show you these beautiful clusters.
I've never used that word again. No, I don't like that word.
Cluster? He doesn't like the word cluster?
I've never seen that reaction to cluster.
No. Moist I can get. Panties, all right. Cluster?
to make sure my dive knife was good to go.
He spends so much money on the stupidest things.
It's just like such a shtick now. It's just too much, Tom. We get that you're eccentric, but this is stretching it.
Do you have water shoes?
No.
No, I'm not 6. I don't need water shoes.
I don't even remember the last time.
Oh, here we
Really?
go. That I flew commercial.
Sorry, Lala, but that's annoying.
I'm just responsible for this right here.
Too far.
We got a great out. They just gave us your ticket and said, here you go.
Hold on, I love that Sheena's not like, oh, do you want my seat?
Do you want to be with your husband or no?
I don't have a drinking problem.
Of course you have a drinking problem.
Do you think James has a drinking problem?
Yeah.
Do you think Kristen Doty has a drinking problem?
Yes.
Sheena, I don't think Sheena does.
No.
She's always under control because she's a psychopath.
Ariana, probably not.
Lala just came out saying she's an alcoholic. He's just so likable, that Bo.
She's gonna be mad at him the whole trip.
I could not deal with that.
Dreams are crazy.
James are crazy. I need some beer cheese.
There's multiple places in here that, well, you can feed the hog.
Why would you call it feeding the hog?
I don't know.
Because the hog.
Is his penis. Let's move on.
Okay. Well, this vacation's great so far. I'm sorry, Katie, but I just can't get on board with you.
She's just always negative. She's always got something to say about everyone.
And complain about.
All I need you to do is just listen to me
The problem is I
sometimes.
don't like the sound of your voice. It's like a cacophony.
See, he's much smarter than he gets credit for.
Yeah.
Okay, green pants.
Did she just say, okay, green pants? She did.
Okay, green pants.
Try being with a wife for 7 years.
Them's fighting words.
Next time on Vanderpump Rules.
How would I future if you don't interest?
Oh God, he's getting sucked into this drunken drama.
That was a not that exciting episode.
I feel like the storylines are just not quite there right now on the show.
You're right.
Although James is always entertaining for whatever reason. I mean, the weasel that he is, his storylines are always good. He's always disinvited, so upset about it.
It's not been a great season.
It hasn't, but we're gonna continue watching because we're devoted to these people. We love them. But we're also still trying to figure out which shows we're gonna watch for your amusement until The Bachelorette starts. And Bachelor in Paradise. I don't even know when that premieres, do you?
After.
All right, well, that's a wrap for this pump. Hopefully next week we'll be back. Bye guys, thanks.
Bye.